Hi there. Welcome to Appian Essentials. My name is Julia, and I'll be your guide for this course. In this course, you'll get acquainted with the basics of Appian, understanding what it is, and exploring the key capabilities to incorporate in your applications. I'll provide hands-on, easy-to-follow examples so that you can envision how Appian can solve your business needs. Additionally, you'll discover how you can start learning Appian with Academy Online and other helpful resources. After completing the video lessons, be sure to check out the customer case studies at the end of the course. You'll watch interviews with customers to see how they implemented specific Appian features to meet their goals. Let's dive in.